All right, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be dealing on atoms. What is an atom? But before we proceed, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now and ensure you like this video. If you have a question, endeavor to leave your question in the comment section of this video. All right, so what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element that maintains its chemical identity through all chemical and physical changes. I'll repeat. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that maintains its chemical identity through all chemical and physical changes. All right, let's consider atomic structure. What is an atomic structure? If you look at the diagram here, you would see what an atom is made up of. An atom is made up of nucleus and electrons. It is made up of nucleus and electrons. So this blue shaded circle is known as the electrons, and the electrons move along these orbitals. It moves along the orbitals, the circular orbitals, and then the nucleus is at the center of the atom. Now let's look at the definition of a nucleus, and then I'll use it to explain this diagram properly. A nucleus is a dense center containing positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. You can see that a nucleus is a dense center. So it is a center here. It contains a positively charged protons. So inside the nucleus, you would see a proton and a what? And a neutron. We are told that the neutrons are neutral. That means they have no charge. So the nucleus is made up of protons and what? Neutrons. Alright, so the protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutral. That means they have no charge. Alright, so since electrons are negatively charged particles and protons are positively charged particles, therefore, atoms gain electrons to become negatively charged and loses electrons to become positively charged. Remember I said electrons are negatively charged particles. The blue shaded circles, these are electrons and they are negatively charged. And then the red shaded particle are protons and they are positively charged. The gold shaded circle, they are neutrons and the neutrons are neutral. They have no charge. And remember, nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. So the combination of protons and neutrons is called nucleus. All right, now let's consider atomic number and atomic mass. H.G.J. Moseley in 1913, using mathematical analysis of an X-ray data, found that each element differs from the preceding element by having one more positive charge in its nucleus. By having one more positive charge in its nucleus, that's addition of protons. That's the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is known as atomic number of that element. Take note of this. You may be asked, what is the atomic number of an element? The definition is here. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is known as the atomic number of that element. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Our next class is on electronic configuration. Kindly check the description of this video and you will see the link to electronic configuration. See you in our next class.